Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subby, thank you for your continuous support, my love. And if you're new here, thank you for stopping by and exploring life with Swazi. Please make sure that you join my beautiful family by making sure that you subscribe, you like, and you comment. As you have seen by the title of this video, I am doing individual lashes at home. Like, before we start, this is not a tutorial, I'm just showing you guys how I am doing this. Yes, I'm just showing you guys how I am doing this. And also, it's my first time. I'm just experiencing things, and funny enough, I'm doing like the experience on camera. Because I want to have something to upload on YouTube. I want to have content, but like, when the time is right, I will start telling you guys that now these are tutorials. Nizozibonela vele wadini ukuthi yeah, like I can learn a thing or two from my videos. So yo, my eyes are already inching. So how am I going to do this? Okay, but before I start, I won't be talking that much. This video won't be too long. Just going to show you what I am using. I'm using like these lashes. Yo yo guys, let me tell you something about this glue. So like, I try to look for a lash glue nearby where I live, like a China store. It's more a China store, somehow a beauty store. So like, they did not have like lashes for glue. So on TikTok, I have been seeing people doing videos using this glue. Yeah, I've been seeing people doing videos using this glue. So I'm going to try it, but my friend did warn me about the glue that it does not last long. Like, she has like tried it, but because ngidela ngokubona, I decided to go and buy it. And also the reason why I decided to go and buy it is because I want to start like doing this thing. Like, when I get a proper glue, it's fine, but I want to like learn. So yeah guys, this, I don't know if you can say it's this, it's a tweezer or what. This wipes just to wipe my eyes. Okay, I think that's it. I am starting the process now. Wish me luck. So just want to make sure that there's no oil around my thingy. So like, I'm going to like put the glue here. Yo, hey, nehaba kodwa nami okay, fine. Yeah, it smells so bad, Ivana. Guys, what if my what if I paint my eyes? What if? Okay. So guys, what I am going to do, I won't put the lashes. Like, I've been seeing videos on TikTok, people saying you must like put it, don't know where, how, but I'm not going to do that since I'm not using it firstly like a glue for eyelashes. So I am going to like try to put it like on top of my original lashes. Do you get me? Do you get what I'm trying to say? So I'm not so sure whether like we are going to see proper the process. Zisuka sengiyaphetha. Where? Yeah, zinganekwane. Hebani.
Damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rump. Big boobs in the butt, stay plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I'm damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. She lit.
So guys, I am done with like my lashes for both eyes, but now what I want to do, I want to fill the like outer layers of my lashes. Can you see? Like I want to fill here, here and here, so that's like the lashes cover my full eyes, you know. And guys, do you remember that I said I won't be putting the lashes like on my, what's this thing, lash line, and I want to put the lashes right on my original lashes, you know, like that attempt failed, so I had to put them on my lash line. It was more easy and simple that way. And another thing guys, I'm not so sure whether you can see the process like fully, since, okay, let me come closer to you. I'll come to
Damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rump. Big boobs in the butt, stay plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I'm damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn.
So guys, I am done with my lashes. I did try to fill in the outer layers, you know. I think I tried my best. What do you think? Please let me know in the in the comment section what you think. This is how I look. This is how my lashes look like, you know. Let me know. So with that being said, with that being done, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.